Hi guys, the second quiz is neural network model. I will try again with you. First question is talking about notation of neural network. The question is, for a neural network, what is the expression of calculating the activation of the third neuron in layer 2? We will look with you at the graph. This is this layer what he wants. Second layer, which has activation function A1. Third neuron. This is the number of neurons written below and order of layers is written above. The third neuron, all of this is third neuron, but I want to layer number 2. Correct answer is this. Third neuron, second layer. Third neuron, second layer. And second layer has activation function 1. Second question, for the handwriting recognition task discussed in the lecture, what is the output of activation function 1 for layer 3? We will look at the graph. This is layer 3, activation function for layer 3. He asked for what is the output. The output is probability of being a handwritten one number. The estimate probability that is the input image is of number 1, a number that range from 0 to 1. This is correct answer and we will submit with you. Well, graduation and pass. Thank you.